Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Silva, and I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, and organization. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Silva and I'm a manager. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Today is going to be a morning routine plan with me. It is currently 7 in the morning. Have just woken up, and I wanted to do a plan with me video because I have a lot of stuff that I need to do today very early in the morning, and I wanted to plan to make sure that I accomplish everything that I want to accomplish for the morning. So to go ahead and get started, this is my day designer planner. I really like this planner because of the hardcover that it has, and because it has all the things necessary that I need in order to plan daily. And so I find this planner to be very functional. It is from July 2020 to June 2021. So I'm going to need one very soon, but this has come in handy throughout the year already, and I am loving it. Some people may not like it because it is a little bit weighty, but because I'm at home not going anywhere, so I'm not taking my planner with me, I don't really mind this. I actually enjoy it a lot more because of how durable it is. But so let's go ahead and get started with today's daily plan. So I had daily planned the other day with you guys, and I had filmed that. So today is going to be another daily planning video. Today is Thursday, February 18th, 2021, and as you can tell, I already have a sticky note with some of the things that I need to do today. Obviously I need to do a lot more things, but as of right now, this is what I have for the day. It's kind of planning ahead. This planner, I really like it because it comes with today's top 3. There's a little section for, like, if you have a due date, if you have a payday and you have money coming in, or there's something to do. You have your dinner menu, but I actually ended up making these cute little menu cards that will be on my Etsy. By the time this video is up, more than likely these will already be up on my Etsy, so I'll link them down below. It's a little menu card that you can paperclip to your planner, and it comes with 7 days of week. It's a weekly, monthly menu, so it's Monday through Sunday. It has breakfast, lunch, and dinner that you can write in, and you can have this for your weekly menu, so you don't have to worry about figuring out what to eat that day. You will already have it planned out. So I really like this card. It's so cute, and it just fits with any planner because all you have to do is just paper clip it on there. It is a printable on my Etsy shop, so like I said, I would link it down below if you guys would like to check it out. It's really cute. You get a whole month worth of a sheet, and you can reprint it as many times as you want, but it comes 4 in one sheet, so that's a whole month worth, so you wouldn't have to print again until the following month. So that's pretty exciting. I really like this. So yeah, this will be on my Etsy shop, so link will be down below. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with my top 3 today, which I kind of have right here somewhat of what my top 3 is going to be. Today I have dog training. I have puppy training with my dog trainer at 8:30. We do puppy classes over Zoom as of right now because of you know what. I'm also filming a daily plan with me morning routine, which I am currently doing right now. And then I am working on a new ebook called The Rules of Creating Habits. So I'm working on that. I worked on it somewhat yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the planning because I have so much to do today. I'm going to set this sticky note off to the side. Well, actually, I'm going to keep it right here. so I can write it. So today's top 3 is of course my dog training. So I'm gonna put puppy classes. So that's currently my top 3. So this, I'm gonna do this little section next. So to post on Instagram, the new Etsy product, which will be the menu card. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead with my time slot for the day. Usually stays the same day by day. There's just small little sections of times where things will be a little bit different, but usually it's almost the same thing every time. Filled in my day for today. As you can tell, there's certain time slots that are not filled in. I usually leave those blank to do whatever it is that I want to do from my to-do list. But the time slots that are in there are things that are important that I need, that are specific to that time that I need to do. But anything else, those open spaces are for whatever I need to do for my to-do list. I'm gonna go ahead and write in my to-do list. So I have a pretty hefty to-do list day by day because I like to write everything that I want to do, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I have to do everything today. Like, if I don't get certain things done, I don't beat myself up for it. I just try to get done as much as I can on my to-do list, and anything that it doesn't get done, I just move it to the next day. For example, yesterday I wrote that I was going to clean Oliver's kennel. I didn't get to do that yesterday, so I'm jotting that down for today, and hopefully I get to do it today. If that doesn't get to happen, it's fine. I'm not going to kill myself over it. I'm not going to punish myself for it. I'll just move it to the next day, because sometimes, as you can tell, like, I have so many things to do but not enough time to do it, so I just try to get done as much as I possibly can, fitting in any chance that I get to do it inside my day-to-day schedule. So the next thing that I usually do is I go in with my highlighter. So each highlighter is assigned to a category in my life. So blue is Ian, green is Oliver, pink is business, and the orange is me. And then yellow usually is just like an in-between, like anything else that just needs to be highlighted. Let's say it's like an appointment or just anything, just an other category, basically. A miscellaneous one. So I'm going to start with blue, and I'm going to highlight everything that is Ian. So that would be his assignments right here, his classes,
small groups. Alright. So that's all of Ian right there, also to organize.
Highlight anything that is the dog. So that would be puppy classes, puppy training, the morning taking out the dog, walking Oliver, and cleaning Oliver's kennel. Okay, the next thing is to highlight all of my Babe Manager stuff and all of my YouTube things. I just consider it as business. I just lump them all together. So that would be filming for the video. It would be working on the 1 hour ebook. Let it plan with me, upload on Instagram, and then posting on Instagram. And then the rest will be orange because that's technically all me. So working out for 30 minutes, waking up, lunch, breakfast, dinner, and bedtime. Okay, so then down here at the bottom notes, I usually write just like any extra things that just come to mind throughout the day. Daily gratitude, well actually 2 more last things. Actually before I get to my daily gratitude, the other thing that I do is during this whole working from home and doing school from home is I basically have a list of the things that he has to do for school, so his assignments. I like to write it down, just things that I want him to do for the day. And we usually do like a writing prompt, so I write the prompt down in here so that I don't forget it. So oops, so right here is the So, question of the day. So usually I just Google a question of the day. Okay, I think this one's cool. What is your favorite memory? I think we're going to do that one today. I think it'll be very interesting to see what he says. I'm going to do my daily gratitude. I'm grateful for the opportunities I have received. That is what I am grateful for today. So that's basically it with today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. I love planning my day out because it makes me feel a lot more sane and a lot more basically just organized in general. But if you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geralde Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.